Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic SC-PMX800 stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing, or if it won't play CDs or it won't eject the CDs or won't respond to button pushes, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason you might want to do this is for any variety of reasons. You just want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box new with everything wiped off of it. This will do that as well. All you need to do this is go ahead and unplug the stereo and just leave it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. Once you do that, then you can just come in and find the power button over here and press and hold this power button. You're just going to press and hold this power button while you plug the stereo back in. Just keep holding the power button, keeping an eye on this display here. Once the display just shows a bunch of dashes all the way across the display, that's telling you that the reset is complete. You can release the power button and go ahead and set this up as a brand new stereo.